Good day, folks. Today we are learning how to sit our client up in bed, and very important to use proper techniques for your client's safety as well as the caregiver. So let's see how to get our client to the side of the bed on JoJo the Caregiver Show. So first thing we're going to do is explain exactly to our client what we're going to do. Mr. Jones, time to get out of bed. Beautiful day out there. I know you love gardening, so let's get you out of bed to see how your flowers are doing. Sound good? Good, good, good. First thing I'm going to do is raise the bed up to waist level. Then I'm going to do the technique called log rolling, which we learned in a previous video. So I'm going to bend the client's far leg, cross his arms, one hand on the knee, one hand on the shoulder, and gently roll him over, taking a small step back, like so. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise the head of the bed up, and we're going to try to get Mr. Jones into a nice 45-degree angle. Now, some of the new beds actually have angle indicators on her, but this bed does not. So you're kind of guessing, right? You're kind of lifting your client's head of the bed up to a 45-degree angle. 45-degree angle is half of the L shape, straight up and down would be 90 degrees. So half of that would be approximately 45-degree angle. Educated guess. Okay, so once he's in this position, it kind of looks like he's already sitting already, right? That's what you want. It's very easy to get him into sitting position if he's like this first. So then what you want to do is do proper technique for your own safety as well. One hand behind their knees, one hand right around their neck onto their far shoulder. I'm going to sit you up on the count of 3, okay, sir? Move his legs over the bed first. 1, 2, 3, up. Like so. Okay? So some people call this dangling the legs because their feet do not touch the floor when you do this correctly. Mr. Jones is sitting here now in proper positioning. From here, if I want, I can transfer him into a chair, into a wheelchair, take him to the washroom if he's mobile. And you should also make sure that he's okay. You're supposed to wait 1 to 5 minutes. Mr. Jones, are you okay? Do you feel well enough to get out of bed? If he says he feels sick, put him back in bed. Make sure he's safe. Go and get the nurse. If he says okay, you can do the next procedure to get him out of bed. Okay, so this is the same technique if I put him back in bed now. One hand around their neck onto their shoulder. One hand under their knees. 1, 2, 3, sit down, sir. And there you go, back in bed, nice and safely. And you make sure he's safe and secure in a nice alignment at the upper part of the bed, like so. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time on JoJo the Caregiver Show.